Students, welcome to the science class of class 8th. Today we will start with new chapter synthetic fibers and plastics. In the previous class, you have already learned about the natural fibers, and natural fibers, they are obtained from plants and animals, and their examples are cotton, jute, wools and silk, etc. In this class, we are going to study about the synthetic fibers and plastics. Today, we will start with the topic synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are the man-made fibers, and they are made from chemicals in factories by man. And these fibers are made up of simple molecules called monomers, and these monomers, when they join in large chain, they form a long chain of molecules called polymers. Poly means many. Polymer is made up of joining of many monomers. A synthetic fiber is a chain of small units joined together, and the process of making polymers is called polymerization. Man-made polymers have been developed to meet the ever-increasing demands of present-day civilization. And now we will study about different types of synthetic fibers. Number one is rayon or artificial silk. You have already read in class 7 that silk fiber obtained from silkworm was discovered in China, and fabric obtained from silk fiber is quite costly. Its texture is very beautiful. So scientists, they made the attempts to make the silk artificially, and by the end of 19th century, scientists were successful in their attempts. A fiber having properties similar to that of silk was obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. This fiber was called rayon or artificial silk. And rayon, it is made up of wood cellulose, which is a natural fiber, so it is called regenerated fiber. So it is not completely a artificial fiber, as its raw material is a natural fiber. Now we will study about the characteristics of rayon and uses of rayon. Characteristics of rayon: it imitate feel of silk, means its texture is like silk, and it is smooth, cool and comfortable. So it can be used in summers also. So it is suitable for wearing in summers. Now uses of rayon: it is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets, and sometimes it is mixed with wool to make carpets, and it can be used for making clothes because it can absorb sweat. It has wide range of colors because it can be dyed in many colors. It is also used in making surgical products and tire cords. Next artificial fiber is nylon. It is a truly artificial fiber. It is also called wonder polymer, and the term nylon is named after the two cities, New York in USA and London in Great Britain. NY stands for New York and LON for London. It was so named as this fiber was developed by the collective effort of scientists of these two countries. Now characteristics of nylon: it is highly elastic, tensile. Tensile means strong. It can withstand heavy weight, and it has silk-like appearance, and it is highly durable. Now uses of nylon: it is used in making carpets, socks and hosiery items like your sweater, etc. It is used for making ropes and parachutes because it is high tensile. It is used in making seat belts, tire cords and clothes, etc. It is used in making toothbrushes, combs and hooks and other household items. It is also used in making ropes for rock climbing and making fishing nets because it is strong. Next synthetic fiber is terylene. Terylene is also used for making clothes and its characteristics are it is elastic and highly durable. Second, it is wrinkle resistant and moth resistant. It does not absorb water. So these are the characteristics of terylene. And use of terylene are it is used for making fabric and for making sails for boats and raincoat because they do not absorb water. It is used for making conveyor belt because it is durable and elastic. And it is also used for making home furnishings. Next synthetic fiber is polyethylene tetraphthalate or PET. Its short form is PET, PET. And it is a synthetic polymer commonly used to make bottles, boxes, etc. And uses are it is used for making containers for packaging food and soft drinks. PET bottles are commonly used in industry for selling all kinds of soft drinks, oils and other food articles. It is also used for making magnetic tapes used in audio and video cassettes. Next artificial fiber is acrylic fiber or acrylon. These are the synthetic fibers which appear to resemble wool. We wear sweaters and shawls in winter. Many of these are actually not made from natural wool. Still they appear to resemble wool made articles. It means it resembles wools and its characteristics are these resemble with wool. They are light weight means they are not heavy. Uses it is used in making blankets and articles made from acrylic fibers are less expensive and are available in variety of colors. So that's about the artificial fibers, their uses and characteristics. Now it's time for assignment questions. You have to write answers of these questions in your rough notebook. Question number 1. Define monomer, polymer and polymerization. Question number 2. Write full form of PVC. Question number 3. Mention uses of rayon, nylon, terylene, PET, PET, PET and acrylon. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.